The key to having a great cloud data management platform for the average user comes down to the platform's simplicity. The applications must be easy to use, but at the same time, powerful enough to achieve even complicated levels of automation. Balancing these two main concepts, along with managing costs, compliance, functionality, is the most important challenge facing companies that aim to provide cloud solutions soon. OneDay Cloud is the first zero-code platform in the Middle East that allows people to manage their data online in minutes, anywhere and anytime on any device. You simply look for the application you need in the store, install it, and in a couple of minutes, you're up and running. OneDay apps are designed with a do-it-yourself user mindset, letting users customize applications and even design their own apps if they can't find what they need in OneDay store. The platform is free, allows users to create apps from Excel sheets, to develop new apps from an existing apps template in the store, to manage apps together under a single account, and fully support all mobile platforms. OneDay already features many business process applications covering various sectors such as HR, asset management, property management, clinic management, and more, even letting users request for customized applications. OneDay Cloud platform is hosted on Amazon, fully secure, and supports multiple languages such as English, Arabic, and Turkish completely. We want to make digitizing your life to the cloud as easy as possible, while still ensuring that you have the most powerful and effective cloud experience. OneDay Cloud. Run your cloud app today.